Let's talk about the latest launched ITEL smartphone City 100 with slim unibody metallic design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.75 inches HD plus waterdrop notch. Display. Resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, approximately 260 ppi pixel density, 700 nits peak. Brightness, 90 Hz refresh rate, and drop scratch resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with single camera setup on the rear that includes 13 megapixel main camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel front-facing camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of ITEL Pure OS 14.5 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 1.8 GHz dual-core Cortex A75 plus 1.6 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by Unisoc T7250 12nm chipset, paired with Mali G57MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4GB, 6GB, 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8GB, 12GB, 16GB of extended RAM, and 128GB, 256GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable via micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 167.69 by 77.47 by 7.65 mm, and it weighs around 185 grams, and the color options, navy blue, pure, titanium, fairy purple colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5200 mAh battery, with 18-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, with mono speaker support, USB Type-C charging port, IP64 dust and water resistance support, and with infrared remote control support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The ITEL City 100 has been priced for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 26,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this ITEL City 100 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.